Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide rows and columns in Google Sheets. Let's get right into it. First, you want to go ahead and select the row that you want to hide by clicking the row number on the left. So we're just going to go ahead and click this one. Then you want to go ahead and right click, and you want to click on Hide Row. The row will disappear, and you're going to see these two arrows between 4 and 6, so we know row 5 is hidden. If you want to unhide the row, then you can go ahead and find the small arrow between these numbers and double click, and it will bring row 5 back. This also works for columns too. So if we want to go ahead and, hide column C, we're going to select column C and hide that column. And if we want to bring it back, we're going to go ahead and click that. You can hide multiple rows and columns at once just by selecting a whole bunch, and you can right click and hide these columns. And that's how you hide and unhide rows and columns in Google Sheets. If this video does help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. If not, that's cool. You have a good one.